Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the immediate priorities: source, path, and receptors. Identify where dust originates and set barriers. Use water or approved suppressant at the source to prevent liftoff. Once done, position your spray or mist system downwind of the source and set flow to cover 80–90% of the emission area. Make sure to put on your respirator and eye protection before any active spraying, because reducing airborne particles protects you and downstream workers. You now focus on consistent application and observation. Start the mist or spray with a fine nozzle to wet particles without creating runoff. Make short, overlapping passes for uniform coverage. Once underway, monitor wind speed and direction and check humidity. Higher humidity reduces redusting, so you can lower spray frequency. Make sure to inspect hoses and nozzles every 15–30 minutes and record the product dose, time, and weather so you can reproduce effective settings next time. You wrap up by stabilizing the site and securing equipment. After the final pass, let treated surfaces rest until they are tacky but not saturated, and limit vehicle or foot traffic to avoid breaking the crust. Once stable, flush and clean nozzles, safely store product containers, and log final checks. If you still see dust, increase coverage, use a finer nozzle or a different formulation, and recheck source points. Those actions typically resolve persistent emissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.